Someone made $47,000 last month. They never shipped a package, never rented a warehouse, never even left their house. The product they sold, you can't hold it, you can't touch it, but millions of people are buying it every single day, and most people have no idea how many ways there are to sell it. Digital products are one of the biggest wealth transfers happening right now, and the people winning, they figured out which type to sell first. Here are every type of digital product you can sell. Ranked number 9, PLR products. Starting at number 9, and this one is the hidden shortcut most people sleep on. PLR stands for private label rights. Here is what that means in simple terms. Someone else creates a product, a guide, a set of articles, a video course, okay, and then they sell you the right to put your name on it and sell it as your own. Think of it like buying a blank t-shirt from a factory and printing your own logo on it. The shirt already exists. You just made it yours. The reason PLR sits at number 9 is not because it is a bad idea, it is actually a smart starting point. The problem is, most people buy PLR content and sell it without changing anything. So the same product ends up everywhere and buyers start to notice. The people who win with PLR are the ones who take the base content, improve it, add their own spin, and package it better than everyone else. That is when it starts to feel like a real product. And because it is, if you are brand new to selling digital products and you do not want to start from scratch, PLR is your on-ramp. Number 8, printables. Sounds simple. That is because it is, and that is exactly why it works so well. Printables are digital files that buyers download and print at home. Think planners, budget trackers, wall art, wedding checklists, kids' activity sheets. Someone designs it once on a computer, then they sell it 10,000 times without doing any extra work. A woman named Hannah Ebling once talked about how she built a 6-figure business on Etsy selling nothing but printable planners, no inventory, no shipping, just files. The barrier to entry here is low. Tools like Canva make it possible for almost anyone to create a printable in a few hours. The market is massive because the products are affordable. Most printables sell between $1 and $15, which means buyers do not think twice before purchasing. The magic of printables is volume. $1 here, $5 there. Multiply that by thousands of downloads and suddenly the math gets very interesting. Number 7, photos and videos. Number 7 is for the people who already have a camera or a decent smartphone. Stock photos and videos are in constant demand. Every blog post, every advertisement, every YouTube thumbnail needs visuals. Businesses will pay good money for the right image or clip. Platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Pond5 allow creators to upload their work once and earn a royalty every time someone downloads it. That is called passive income, money that comes in while you sleep. The key here is specificity. Generic sunset photos are everywhere, but a well-lit photo of someone working in a small bakery or a video clip of kids learning in a classroom, those are the kinds of images that brands and content creators actually search for. If you have a skill behind the lens, this is one of the most overlooked ways to turn it into consistent income. Number 6, ebooks. At number 6, we have a format that has been around for decades and is still growing. An ebook is simply a book in digital form. No printing, no publisher, no bookstore. Just a file, usually a PDF, that someone buys and reads on their phone, tablet, or computer. What makes ebooks powerful is that they can be about almost anything. How to train a dog, how to save money as a college student, how to start a vegetable garden in a small apartment. If someone has a problem and you have the answer, that answer can become an ebook. The average ebook on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon KDP sells anywhere from $5 to $49. Write one ebook. Sell it for years. The people who treat their ebook like a real book with good formatting, a strong cover, and clear chapter structure outsell everyone else by a wide margin. Presentation matters more than most people think. Number 5, domains. Number 5 is the one most people do not even think of as a product, but it absolutely is. A domain is a website address, things like businessideas.com or fitnesscoach.net. These addresses are bought and sold every day, sometimes for hundreds of thousands of dollars. Domain flipping works like real estate. You buy a name that seems valuable. Maybe it matches a growing trend, a popular keyword, or a business name someone will want later. Then you hold onto it and sell it for a profit. The record for the most expensive domain ever sold was voice.com, which went for $30 million in 2019. Now, most domain flips are nowhere near that number, but buying a smart domain for $10 and selling it for $500, that happens all the time. This requires research and patience more than any creative skill. If you enjoy thinking about where trends are headed, domain investing might be the quiet opportunity you have been overlooking. Number 4, templates and themes. 4 is where things start to get serious. Templates and themes are pre-built designs that people can plug their own content into. Website themes for platforms like WordPress or Shopify, resume templates, pitch deck templates, social media post templates. Businesses and creators are always looking for ways to look professional without spending weeks on design. A well-made template saves them that time and they will happily pay for it. A single premium WordPress theme can sell for $50 to $100 per license. Multiply that by a few hundred buyers a month and you start to see why top template creators on platforms like ThemeForest are earning life-changing money. The best part is that templates have long shelf lives. Build it right once, keep it updated, and it can keep selling for years. Number 3, online courses. This is where the real money starts to show up on the leaderboard. Online courses are one of the highest earning digital product categories in the world. The global e-learning market is worth hundreds of billions of dollars, and it is still growing fast. The concept is straightforward. You know something that other people want to learn, you record yourself teaching it, you package it into a structured course, then you sell access to that course over and over again. Courses can sell for anywhere from $27 to $2,000, depending on the topic, the depth, and how well the creator has built their audience. What separates a course that makes $10,000 from one that makes $10 million? The transformation. The best courses do not just share information, they take someone from where they are to where they want to be. That is what people are actually paying for. Number 2, plugins. This one surprises a lot of people. A plugin is a small piece of software that adds a new feature to an existing platform. WordPress plugins, Figma plugins, Shopify apps, browser extensions. Here's what makes plugins special. Millions of people already use these platforms every single day. They are already looking for ways to do things faster or better. A plugin that solves a real problem for those users can sell thousands of copies without needing a massive audience. Some of the most successful plugin creators are not famous. They are just developers who spotted a gap, something a platform did not do natively, and built the solution. Then they listed it, priced it, and let the platform's existing user base find it. Plugins often come with subscription pricing too, which means recurring monthly revenue instead of one-time sales. That changes the entire financial equation. Number 1, software, tools, and scripts. This is the category that has created more millionaires in the digital product space than anything else. Software, tools, scripts. These are full products built to solve a problem, automate a task, or make something possible that was not before. Think project management apps, AI writing tools, automation scripts for e-commerce stores. The reason software sits at the top is leverage. A good software product can serve 10 users or 10 million users with almost no change in cost. That is the kind of math that turns small teams into billion-dollar companies. Yes, building software usually requires technical skill or a development budget, but the barrier has dropped dramatically. No-code tools like Bubble and Glide now let people build real software products without writing a single line of code. The people at the top of the digital product game are not selling files, they are building systems. And systems compound. So there it is. 9 types of digital products, all the way up to the one that has the highest ceiling of them all. But here's the thing nobody talks about. Knowing which product to sell is only half the equation. The other half is something most creators completely get wrong. And it is the reason why 2 people can sell the exact same type of product and get completely different results. One walks away with a full-time income. The other walks away with nothing. The difference comes down to one specific mistake, and it is hiding in plain sight.